Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python package which allows you to extract all the text from the PDF document. This is actually the package here, which is pypdf. This is actually the package name. Let me show you the package here. If you go to the website of Python, just search for this package pypdf. It's a very popular package for extraction of text from PDF documents. So this is actually the package. The command is simple. You simply install this by executing this command. After installing it, I will now show you. Basically, we have taking a simple PDF document which contains two pages. The first page right here, you see some text is there. Now this is actually the second page here. So two pages are there. So once I execute this Python script, so what you will see, it will actually extract all the text and save it inside the TXT file. So let me execute this script here, app8.py. So you will see it will extract all the text and print it inside the terminal, and it will also save it inside the TXT file. So as you can see, all the text has been successfully saved right here. This is page 1, this is page 2. So now let me show you the Python script here. So first of all, I will show you step by step. So I will show you step by step. So just wait. Let me just. So first of all, you just need to import this module. So we simply import this py PDF, and from this we just need to import this PDF reader. After that, we just need to initialize it. So this PDF reader, and here we just need to pass the actual PDF file that you are working right here. So we PDF file is present right in the same directory, which is sample.pdf. After you initialize this, you can actually calculate the total number of pages by using this length function, and it contains this reader dot pages. This is actually an array here which will return the number of pages inside this PDF. So if I just execute the script here, so it will print out, which is 2. So it will calculate the total number of pages and print it out. After that, we can specifically extract the text from a specific page here. Let's suppose you only want to extract the text from the very first page. So what you do, you first of all get access to that page, and then to get the actual text, it contains this function extract text. So we simply call this function, and then we print out the actual text in the first page, because here we are providing the first page here, which is 0. So if I execute this now, you will see it will print out all the text which is present in the first page, and it is outputting it inside the terminal. And now we can save all the text in the txt file by using the open function. So we can call the open function, and we can make a new file result.txt in the write mode, and inside encoding utf-8. So here we can actually call the function. We can loop through all the pages, reader dot pages, and loop through all the pages and extract it by using this function extract text. And then we use the write function f dot write to write the content, to write the text. If so, like this. So here we are looping through all the pages and extracting the text and writing it inside our result.txt. So if I just execute, you will see it will create this file which is result.txt. So you will see it will create this file output.txt. This is actually your first page. This is your second page. It has successfully extracted all the text from the PDF document. So we have taken this example which contains 2 pages in the PDF. It extracted all the text from the PDF document. So you can see, guys, you can use this package very easily. Simply install this, and I've shown you a very simple example in this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and also visit my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.